Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
You've accidentally deleted an important appointment from your Outlook calendar. Don't panic. Recovery is often possible, and here's how to do it. First, check your deleted items folder. In Outlook, navigate to your Mail view. Look for the Deleted Items folder in the folder pane on the left. Click on it. Your deleted calendar appointments often end up here, just like emails. If you find the appointment, simply drag it back to your calendar folder. You can also right-click it and choose a Move Then I Other folder and select Calendar. If the appointment isn't in your deleted items folder, it might still be recoverable from the server. This is for items that have been emptied from deleted items. Go to your deleted items folder again. In the ribbon at the top, look for the eHome tab. Find the option that says Recover Items Recently Removed from this folder or Recover Deleted Items. Click this. A new window will open showing items that can still be restored. Select your appointment from this list. Then click Restore Selected Items. It will then return to your deleted items folder, from where you can move it back to your calendar. Keep in mind, there's a time limit for server recovery, often 14 or 30 days, depending on your organization's settings. Once that period passes, or if the item was permanently deleted a long time ago, recovery might not be possible. Act quickly when you realize an item is missing.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.